Merry meet magical souls, welcome back to another video. Maleficent wanted to say hi real quick. I'm so excited to be unboxing the Witch's Roots unboxing. Be sure to go ahead and check them out in the comment section down below in the description box, guys. Their prices are so amazing and the quality of the products is such a compelling value. You get your money's worth and then some. Oh, I just can't wait to open this month's box up. I always love opening a little magic each month. Let's see what the theme of this month's box is. I already see beautiful Book of Shadows artwork and I'm all like freaking out. Looks like this month's theme is the Sacred Goddess. The symbolism of the goddess resonates deeply within our practices and rituals, carrying with it a very rooted meanings and resemblances. As we work with the goddess energy, we connect to all things around us on a deeper level, allowing us to truly use our emotions and love for all things to manipulate positive growth in every aspect of our existence. These sacred energies are created to assist us in becoming wiser and more in tune when working to make better decisions in our day-to-day lives, ultimately elevating ourselves to a higher plane of being. We have created the sourced items within this collection to bring you closer to the sacred goddess energy so that you too may walk a more vibrant and beautiful path. The magical items in this box are as follows. Love this. Work with Goddess Nyx all the time. Guan Yin Pusa, different ascended masters. Such beautiful vibes, guys. Without further ado, let's get into this box. And I really do love that, guys. I use that word a lot in some spells and rituals. So looks like we have a beautiful Passion Flower Book of Shadows artwork. It is so beautiful, guys, and it's got all the information, all the correspondences, stones, animals, complimentary bonicles, just such beautiful artwork. Are you excited, Maleficent? She's all sniffing everything. She just loves this box a lot. She's just sniffing it all up. You love it, Maleficent? So, let's see what is in this baby, guys. Ooh, I see a little purple pouch, so I want to open this right away. Look at the packaging and the bubble wrap. Everything is always wrapped so good, so you have no breakage. This purple pouch. What is this? Is this lapidolite, guys? I think this is a piece of lapidolite tumblestone, and I don't have this crystal yet, so I'm so excited to work with it. Let's see, this crystal is lapidolite. I was correct. I'm so excited to finally have this stone, guys. It comes with a pouch. It's to aid in adding calming and serene energies to your surroundings. We have included a beautiful lapidolite tumblestone. Carry this stone with you or place on your altar to assist you in clearing and maintaining an enlightened awareness. I love this so much, guys, and honestly, when I'm touching it, I already do feel the calming energy. And it is such a tiny piece, guys. I'm getting truth bumps. It's so tiny, and I'm feeling the energy. I've always wanted a piece of this stone, and haven't got one yet, so thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I'm so excited to add that to my crystal collection. And I just got 2 2s on the time the camera's recording, guys. Love you, angels. It's my guardian angel's number. That's so neat. All the synchronicities. So there's so much cute stuff, guys. There's a purple box. There's this thing that's wrapped up. No, this is so cool, guys. This is like an abalone shell. Something that you could put something in here. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like abalone, it looks like, around it. And it's a little seashell. The little mermaid in me from my past life is loving this. Ooh, there's something that I could put in here. I wonder what I'm going to put inside. This is so cool, guys. I love this. And it's the color purple for the element of spirit. It's got that like abalone shell color on this side that's rainbow. It is awesome. Can't wait when summer comes around. When Christmas is over, then I can put out more beachy stuff, spring stuff. Ooh, looks like there's a huge big body oil in here too. I love these, guys. They make awesome for your cleansing baths and your diffusers and just using around your body. This is the Sacred Goddess. And oh, is this a body spray? I guess this one. Oh, it comes with a dropper. So this is the body oil. Ooh. I love how it comes with the dropper. Let's try this stuff on. Let's put this on my crystal, my moldavite. I think it's jasmine, guys. There's some jasmine in it. It's really beautiful in the cobalt blue bottle. It smells really faint for me to smell because I'm a little sick, but ooh, I love it, guys. What is in here in this purple box? Oh, and this is what we're going to be putting inside of that little jewelry box. This is so pretty, guys. So it looks like a little necklace, and how fitting. It's a triple moon goddess kind of vibe. It's got the goddess cupping the moon, and I'm honestly in love with how this is all silver, guys. I think I'm going to be wearing this one a lot. This is so cool. Right now, today, guys, I'm wearing my little snake pendant from their bounty box, and I just love it. It's so cute. First, it kind of creeped me out because it looked like a real snake, but then I'm like, okay, it's not a real snake. And this says on the back of the necklace, "May the Lady of the Moon guide your way." This is so beautiful. I love this, guys. It looks so handmade. It's so cute. I'll be wearing this one a lot. I just love that. So it's cute. I'm assuming that you guys could just put the little necklace in this little jewelry box. That is so cute. All the good vibes with that. The sea and the moon reflects on the water. That is so cool. So what else is in here? It looks like we got a couple more goodies. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, the incense smells so good, guys. I really love this incense, and it looks like it comes with some herbs. This is passion flower herb, and it looks like we get a little spell candle in this month's box. And how fitting having a cute little goddess pendant in there. Purple seashell. We got ourselves a purple spell candle. I just love their beeswax candles. It smells so good, and they sometimes put their oils in it. It's just amazing, guys. All the purple vibes with the Petalite 2 element of spirit vibes. I just love it all. So for this little goddess ritual oil, it says we have created this 2-ounce magical elixir with the intention of bringing you closer to the divine feminine energy that is rooted all around us, as well as bringing soft, gentle, and vibrant energy to your aura. This sacred goddess body oil is a powerful formula to add strength and conviction to your perception as you set out upon difficult tasks and experiences. As you use this oil, visualize a blanket of protection covering your energy, providing you with the chance to be fearless in your endeavors. We have enchanted this ritual oil with jasmine, patchouli, and sandalwood. I knew there was jasmine. It smells so good. Such good vibes in here, and it's a light scent too, which is nice when you don't want a heavy scent day. Oils as well as jasmine and passion flower herbs. We have also included a special mixture of our own lightest touch magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. This is so nice, guys. I love it. And it says use only a couple of drops first to see if you're comfortable with the essence of the mixture. For external use only. So beautiful, guys. And to give us a little bit of history on the passion flower, it looks like this herb is a very soothing and sedative-like herb. The passion flower has many serene benefits that we have worked with over the many years. Used in herbal teas, this wonderful herb is known for relaxing anxious thoughts and bringing emotions to a more grounded state. Originally classified as Passioniflora in 1745, passion flower now has estimated 500 different species that are spread around the world. That is crazy. Upon the passion flower plant hangs berry-like fruits that were said to be cultivated by the Aztecs, Incas, and other South American native tribes. As stated within the passion flower herbal grimoire artwork. That's so cool, guys, all the tribes using this. Such good vibes. It is a highly symbolic plant for Spanish missionaries in the New World. Passion flower was named to honor the suffering of specific religious figures. Many tropical cultures worldwide utilize all parts of the plant as a magical charm to attract friendships and love. It is also used to promote restful sleep, peace, harmony, tranquility, and overall contentment with self within relationships, old or new, and within designated spaces. A wonderful herb for attracting others, passion flower provides a softer addition to your aura, allowing you to be free from anger, anxiety, or other emotional stresses that may push others away. As you use this herb, visualize every thought softer as if effort is no longer needed. Also associated with Venus, passion flower brings the power of the sacred feminine into our surroundings and working spaces. Gender correspondence is feminine, elemental connection is water, planetary connection is Venus. So much beauty in this kit, guys. It looks like this is a little royalty mini spell candle. We have hand rolled the spell candle with the intention of manifesting power, success, and guidance through your workings. The word royalty represents the energy of the sacred goddess provides us as we work towards connecting to the divine. This is a deserving energy that brings us closer into a positive and stronger perception of self, allowing the flame of the royalty candle to dance throughout your spirit. Meditate on your eternal compass, giving yourself permission to let go of stagnant energies. Connect with the very personal and sacred moment, for these are the building blocks of a more pure creation and manifestation. The affirmation is, the goddess resonates deep within my spirit, bringing me closer to pure realization and enlightenment. And when I'm saying that affirmation, guys, I'm getting a light breeze over my arm, like down here. Love you. Blessed be Goddess Nyx. So beautiful. And I love it, guys, because they always let you know that these are the tools, these are the cute things that come in this month's box. They have a bunch of different fun ones, guys, but they always let you know that each person's practice is uniquely your own. So use your intuition and let it guide you to use these tools whichever way you'd like. And it's just so awesome, the value of this box, guys, all the cool things you get. It's just so awesome. Thank you once again, Witch's Moon. Be sure to go check them out down below, guys, and get your box today. And without further ado, like always, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, with the upcoming power of the new moon, may you come forth in this time and place. In the name of Nyx and the elements, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. And may this new abundant year for us be prosperous, happy, and may we just leave everything behind and let it be transmuted to positive healing light. So mote it be. And of course, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on this post notifications down below so you can be notified for all our future videos, right, Maleficent? And without further ado, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, guys. We'll see ya next time. Bye!